Hello guys and welcome back. How are you guys doing? I hope your day is amazing. So today is going to be a little bit of a different kind of video than usually what I do on here. I'm going to unbox my new computer desk with you guys. This brand calls Sedeta. They reached out to me and sent me a computer desk for free to review on here, and I actually honestly really needed a computer desk for my computer for so long. I have been using my old vanity to keep my computer on it, so I thought I would say yes to them and would give their computer desk a try. So I'll be doing unboxing and I'm going to be sharing with you how the quality is and everything on this product. I don't know how you guys going to like this video, but definitely let me know. And for now, let's begin with this one. And when I was leaving home today in the morning, Cream would not let me go. She knew that I will go and come back in few hours. I feel so sad to leave Cookie and Cream alone inside of house. But this is the vanity I was using to keep my computer on it. This vanity is really dear to my heart. It is my first ever vanity. But now I guess it's time to say goodbye to it. And this is the computer desk they sent me. Everything came secured and the packaging is really very nice. My husband built it for me and it took him around 3-4 hours. I would not say it is very easy to build it. It took us pretty long time, but you will have everything in this box you need to make it. You don't need any home tools or something, which I appreciate a lot. It includes everything you would need. So this is all what you get on the inside. It comes with these color changing lights, also extension to put on your computer desk, and also these cute drawers as well, which looks like this when my husband made them. It is wood on the outside and inside is those organizer material, plasticky kind of. And the wood is also pretty sturdy. It is not the best wood ever, I will say that, but it's decent and nice quality, and for the price tag I would say it definitely worth it. And here you can see it includes everything you would need. This desk also includes these cute lights as well, which are color changing, and also you will get this organizer section as well, where you can organize your pens or little items. One thing that I realized later, that how huge this computer desk is. I made this mistake that I did not see the measurements properly before ordering with this size. This size is huge, but you can find all sizes on their website, and they have super cute colors as well if you want a black or gray, but I went with the white one. And here it is halfway done. My husband did all the work. Without him I could not do it, because there were a lot of small pieces to connect with each other. It was a lot of work, to be very honest. But here you can see how it is looking in this room right here. It took a lot of space, and but my computer is looking a lot better than before. Here you can see I will decorate with more cute items on it to make it look even cuter. But I'm so pleased with this computer table, I want to say, and I love this upgrade for me. If you guys want to check them out, I will link them down below. They also have Amazon storefront as well, and also they have their own website. I'm going to link both of the websites down below. Now I will also need a good comfortable chair to sit on it, but I'm so pleased with the results, and I love that how spacious this computer desk is. So this is all, you guys, and here you can see Cookie and Cream. They just have to figure out what new stuff came to the house. No matter if it's new furniture piece or grocery stuff, they just have to sniff everything. I absolutely love these cute fur babies. Anyways, you guys, thank you so much for watching me today, and I appreciate your time. I'll see you soon in my next one. Take care and bye bye.